Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first thing you have to do is unlock your Apple Watch, then press the side button to open the control center. Let me enter the passcode once again. So press the side button and then find this moon icon and tap on it. Okay, so it constantly detects my hand, I think. Tap the moon icon and then select Do Not Disturb, and then you can select either to turn it on for 1 hour or until this evening or until you leave, or any other option that you have here. Let's simply select on to turn it on until we turn it off manually. And from now on the DND mode is enabled. To disable it, you have to press the side button once again, go to this icon once again, and just tap on it. And this way you will disable DND mode on your Apple Watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.